Welcome back to the KetoBakes YouTube channel, where we make keto baking super easy, fast, and fail-proof. Today, we're making baklava cookie bars made with our frosted cookie square mix. After you've baked your cookie bars according to the package directions, you're going to melt butter on the stove, mix in the icing packet, and let it caramelize. Then whisk in your heavy cream and take it off the heat. Add in your cup of walnuts and stir to combine. Next, you're going to pour your baklava mixture on top of your cooked and cooled cookie bars. Spread it out into an even layer, and then you're ready to pop it in the fridge to chill. Next, take your chilled cookie bars out of the pan and add them to your cutting board. Then cut your bars into 16 equal pieces. You can cut them into bigger or smaller pieces depending on how many people you're serving. Now your cookie bars are ready to be served. You're going to love the sweet and delicate taste and texture of these baklava cookie bars. You can find the full recipe and mixes on our website at ketobakes.com.